All right, moving on to the next round of the competition. Congratulations. Maynilao Oriental Queen Nina Marie Zilaya.
The next candidate is guaranteed a spot in the top 3. Congratulations! Julian Concepcion!
Finalists who are now moving on to the next round. However, mga kaibigan, ang new theater may isa pa na uusad sa ating top 3, and she is Sia!
One spot left, ladies and gentlemen. Isa na lang. We have one from Mindanao, one from NCR. Saan kaya manggagaling ang huling kandidata sa top 3?
Ibabalik ba natin ang corona sa Luzon?
Sa Visayas!
O di kaya sa Mindanao? Let's find out.
Now, completing the top 3 is congratulations, Sophia!
Thank you so much to the rest of the candidates, our semi-finalists. You have made us, as well as your supporters and your places proud. Maraming salamat sa parte na ibinigay ninyo dito sa kompetisyon na ito. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you very much, ladies.